Luis E. Yi Jr., also known as Jun Yi, is a pioneer of installation art in the Philippines. Born in the year 1942 in Agusan del Norte, an artwork can evoke a myriad of feelings, sometimes of joy or despair. But if it is instead surrounded by peculiarity, let's take a look at a piece one might observe upon passing by the Librada Avellino Hall. I am Yanaiza, and I will explain how something so boring is actually innovative and holds a deeper meaning. Art in general is done to convey and present stories through paintbrushes and canvases. This specific piece is a creation of Jun Yi. In his journey through fine arts at the University of the Cook Philippines Diliman, he was guided by Napoleon Abueva, also known as the father of modern Philippine sculpture. In connection to being modern, his artwork presented in the Librada Hall is a perfect presentation for contemporary arts, an art that is something visually plain but tells a lot of story. I believe that the meaning behind the art depends on the spectator. For me, this piece is a painting inside a painting, or simply seeing the world in a bird's eye view. Thus, creating a feeling that the world might seem like it is huge, but we can entirely see it depending on how large our perspective is. In connection to deeper sense, our perspective for the world is not limited but rather limitless. Or some may say, to see the forest for the trees.